Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and getting power right. Plug a regulated 5V or 12V to 5V converter if the player expects car battery. This prevents voltage spikes and protects the board. Once the adapter and HDMI cable are ready, connect Wi-Fi dongle or use built-in Wi-Fi so you can stream. Make sure the player sits on a ventilated, flat surface. Heat is the main enemy. These first actions let you power on safely and move straight into configuration. Once powered, connect HDMI to your TV and set the TV input. Pick 720p or 1080p to match the player for stable output. You'll go into Settings, Display, and adjust screen scale and rotation so the interface fills the TV. This avoids cropped menus. Then enable audio over HDMI or route to aux depending on your setup. Next, install a TV-friendly launcher or APKs from Play Store so navigation is simple. This converts to finish, optimize performance by disabling unused apps and setting storage to external or OTG for large media. This reduces stutter. Make sure developer options are available if you need USB debugging for driver installs. Update firmware only with verified files to avoid bricking. If you run into problems, no video, no boot. First power cycle the player, swap the HDMI cable, and test a different display to isolate the fault. If that fails, reflash firmware or revert settings. Those steps usually recover a faulty setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.